morning fellas, and now here we are going to find the differentiation of function to the power function. The order of differentiation we have done, and now we are saying that it's another special form which goes like how to find the differentiation of fx to the power gx. So this is the function, and over the power of this function we have another function. Now we have to find differentiation of fx. How? So the most handy thing here is the logarithm. In the logarithm there is a formula, it's called as log for any base m to the power n is n log m. So here taking log. Now we have to take the natural log, because differentiation of log e is 1 by x. This x is 1 by x. So we have to take the natural log. You can take the log in any order, but if you don't have this log x to the base e, you cannot have its answer as 1 by 10. Suppose if I have log x to the base 10 and we have to find its differentiation, we can't find it. We have to change the base first. How? So this will become log x to the base e over log 10 to the base e. 10 to the power base is constant, so it's 1 over log 10 to the base e, and differentiation of this is 1 by x. So this is d by dx of log x to the base 10. Now here we are taking the logarithm, so taking natural logarithm. So taking ln, some authors call this ln, but we will be using log, but we are keeping this in the head that we are always using the log in the base e. So taking log on logarithm on both sides, log on both sides, then we have log y is log fx to the power gx. So now log y is gx log fx. So the log has simply flattened out this whole structure of the power, and this makes it just like a simple linear equations where log y is gx times log fx. Now if you find differentiation of this one, what is differentiation of log x? That is 1 over x, and differentiation of log y will be 1 over y into dy by dx. Now you can keep gx as constant, so gx constant. Then you find differentiation of log fx, just like this. Log y's differentiation is 1 over y into differentiation of y, that gave me dy over dx. Same way the differentiation of log fx is 1 over fx into differentiation of fx, that can be written as f dash x, plus log fx unchanged, and differentiation of gx will be written as g dash x. Next time only you have to transfer this y on this side, so you will have the form that is dy by dx is y, this is gx f dash x over fx plus g dash x log fx, and y is here. This is the answer for this kind of form. Now I'll take some proper examples just to explain my concept. Suppose we have y is sin x to the power cos x. Then take log, so I'm writing directly log y equal to log sin x to the power cos x, and this is cos log sin x. So log y is cos x log sin x. Now 1 over differentiating, I'm doing differentiation directly without writing the differentiating both sides, you can do it many times. So 1 by y dy by dx. Now keep any one of them constant, so I keep cos x constant, log something, so 1 over something into differentiation of that something is cos x, plus keep log sin x constant, and differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x. So this is cos x over sin x is called as cot x. So this is cos x cot x minus sin x log sin x and dy by dx. The y comes here and everything goes in the bracket. Now the final answer, dy by dx, at the place of your y you write sin x to the power cos x cot x minus sin x log sin x. This is it, and this is how this kind of questions can be solved. So now I take another example where this log cannot be taken directly. Suppose if I have a function y is x to the power x plus sin x to the power y. So sin x to the power x. You can take y also, there is no problem. So y equal to this one. Now you know that the log m plus n, there is no such formula. Means you cannot take the log directly here. You can take, because we have the formulas like log m into n is log m plus log n. Log m over n is log m minus log n. Log m to the power n is n log m. Only these three kind of formulas we have. So even if I take the log here directly, I can never, because log m plus n, there is no such formula. And if you do not take the log, then you can never flatten this out and then you can never have the proper answer. So how you can do that? So you can do two things. That first you say that this is u plus v. So you are assuming that this function x to the power x is u and sin x to the power x is v. So you have your parametric form goes like y, which was the function of the x. Then you have broken this down as the two functions of x. One is u x to the power x and another one is v. So u is also function of x and the v is also function of x. Now if you differentiate this one with respect to x, then you find dy over dx is du over dx plus dv by dx. Means if anyhow, if you find the differentiation of du over dx like the u with respect to x and the v with respect to x, then you add up these two, you'll get your dy by dx. Now this is what we are going. So we'll have to take this one as it is, like u is x to the power x. Now here I can take the log easily. So this becomes log u is x log x. By how? The formula goes like this. Log x to the power x, log x to the power x is x log x, because log m to the power n is n log m. So differentiating 1 by u du over dx, keep x constant, differentiation of log x 1 by x plus differentiation of log x, just keep log x as constant, differentiation of x is 1. So this cancel, you get du by dx, u comes here, x and x cancel 1 plus this is log x. Now next time you can write as x to the power x 1 plus log x. This is my du over dx. Same way I have to find the value of dv by dx also, because v is sin x to the power x. So log v is x log sin x. So 1 by v dv over dx is x log sin x is 1 over sin x. 1 over sin x into differentiation of sin x, that is cos x, minus log sin x into differentiation of x, that is 1. So you are getting your dv by dx equals v comes here. This becomes x cot x minus log sin x. So dv by dx equal to v, that is sin x to the power x, and this is x cot x minus log sin x. So if you add these two, your answer will be dy by dx equals sum of these two. So let me use a red color to wrap it up. So this is sum of these two is your answer. So your answer will be x to the power x 1 plus log x plus sin x to the power x, x cot x minus log sin x, and this is the differentiation of this one. Now I take some more ideas and just try to use the very same concept in some other weird ways, but they are very natural things. Mathematics is restrictions. Mathematics is all about exploration. So exploring, there is no restrictions. Suppose if I have to find differentiation of x to the power 3, and how you can do, like suppose if I take log here, then what will become? Log y is 3 log x, then 1 by y dy by dx equal to 3 over x, then y comes here 3yx, then y is x cubed into 3 by x, this gives you 3x square. That is the formula directly. So you can use log anyway. Suppose if I have to find the value of y equals to under root 1 plus x square, so you can write as 1 plus x square to the power half. So log y is half log 1 plus x square. So 1 by y dy by dx is 1 by 2 into 1 over 1 plus x square into differentiation of that is cancelled. So you are getting x upon 1 plus x square, y comes here, this is dy by dx, and y is this whole thing, is just root. So this finally becomes x into y. So there is no root here. This is 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square. Now, so y, and this is also what is 1 plus x square? That is y square. So this becomes y square. 1y cancel, it is x over y, and then again you can write x over y, which is under root 1 plus x square. So it means mathematics gives you the different patterns, and there are different ways of solving the questions. Now we have seen every possible ways by which these questions can be solved. Now this is up to you. How do you practice and how do you approach, because learning never stops, and if you keep on practicing more and more, you will have little more insight into the problems of differentiation, and they can be understood in a better way. Now in the next video we are done with the differentiation concepts. Now in the next videos we will solve more questions specific to differentiation and applications of differentiation. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and keep learning with us.